Hi everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing of Pride Mobility's newest folding power wheelchair. It's super lightweight. It's called the Jazzy Ultralight. Now they came out with a really lightweight folding power wheelchair. I think it was last year or the year before. It's called the Jazzy Carbon. It weighed just 39 pounds. This chair weighs just 33 pounds. So they're improving how lightweight the chair is. And we're just gonna unbox the video and get into it. So a lot of times when you first get this, you're gonna have these straps on it. This right now just has one. So I'm just gonna cut the strap off. And as you can see on the box, it is made in the USA. So there are a few foreign and domestic components that come in, but this is assembled here in the USA, which is great. So because it's a folding power wheelchair, it's already assembled. There's just a few little things you need to do, like attach the joystick. Sometimes you need to maybe put the battery in, but let's see. So because it's lightweight, I can just pull it right out, but you can also just put it on its side and you can pull it out this way. Now here is a seat cushion that it comes with, which is really nice. User manual. We've got the charger. And everything else is in here. Oh, we got this as well. So this box, I'm assuming, is probably the joystick, but let's open it up and see. So it comes with a cup holder that we'll put on in a moment. So that comes standard. And yep, this is the joystick. So I'm just gonna set this to the side. And yeah, you can see it's really lightweight. A lot of these companies are coming out with these super lightweight folding power wheelchairs. And Pride, of course, they come out with one and just sort of up the ante, and I'm gonna get it unfolded here. A couple features about it. I'll get back to actually folding it back up. So to show you how to actually fold it, and to unfold it. So one thing that's nice is with the anti-tip wheels, you can set it up just like this, so it's easy for storage. You could put it easily like into a closet or behind your couch, which I really like that. So when you're unfolding it, there is this little tab here, and it actually says push. So pretty self-explanatory. It's best to set it down like this and then press this. And then you just pull it from the seat back, or the back of the seat at the top, and it just unfolds. So really that simple. As far as folding it back up, you have another tab here. So you can press that and it folds right down. So let's unfold it again. And we'll install the joystick and the cup holder. So I'll move this around. This is really easy to, so if whether you're left-handed or right-handed, it's easy to put the joystick on either side. You just have these knobs. You'll see that there are these built-in clips where you line up the wire, but if you were to move it to the left side, and you're left-handed, the clips are already built in, so you can see them here. So you would just have to take it out and then wire it back on this side to put it on the left side. So they make it really easy. So as far as putting it in, I'm just gonna loosen this screw, and it is extendable, so I'm gonna actually extend it out to this taller point because I'm tall. And just lock that into place. And then it's just a matter of lining up these two clips. You got a male and a female part, and it clips right into place. Now, as far as cup holder, I think this is a really nice feature. We get people asking us all the time for a cup holder, which a lot of times we just send complimentary, but it really just installs the same way as you install the the joystick, except you just don't have wiring, obviously. So I'm just gonna loosen it and put it in here, lock into place. So super nice. You got the cup holder as well. It does come standard with a seat belt. This is a great feature, having this, it's like a gel cushion, and you just set it on top. And just sets right there. There's no Velcro or anything. You just set it right on top. This is like a mesh material, so it's breathable. So if you're in like in a hot environment, you're not gonna sweat as you normally would. And obviously you don't need the cushion. So if you wanted to, you know, not have the cushion, but I would recommend having this just because it's a lot more comfortable. And then as far as the foot plate, just pulls right down. It's not an adjustable foot plate, so something to keep in mind about that. As far as the battery, so you can actually charge the battery either directly on the joystick, so you have that option, or you can charge it on the battery pack itself, which is right here. So a lot of people like to keep the chair maybe in their car, or you know, if they're traveling, maybe just keep it outside their hotel room or stateroom, and then they would bring this inside and charge this. And then once it's fully charged, you just bring it back out and put it in the chair. And if you want to check if it's charged, so there's an on and off switch. Right now it's marked as off. So if I turn it on, now the battery's on. And you can see we just got the chair, so it's about like halfway charged. So when you first get the chair or any mobility product, the best thing is to do is to charge it fully. So we always recommend to charge it like before you go to bed. And by the time you wake up in the morning, it'll be charged. So even though it's halfway charged, to get a full about 10-hour charge, 12-hour charge is a good idea. And as far as putting the battery on here, you can see there's these tracks that line up with these tracks here. And then these metal connectors connect to the battery here. So it's just a matter of sliding on here and it'll lock into place, just like that.
Hey, we're giving away a free mobility scooter. We actually do this monthly. And if you want to be eligible for that, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then comment on any video. And once you do those two things, you'll be entered into the drawing for our next giveaway. We do announce them on social media. So, what do you have to lose?
Because the chair is airline approved, the airline is going to require you to remove the battery and bring it on with you as a carry-on. So it's always good to understand how to remove the battery. So Pride's made it really easy. There's a clip here. You just pull this to the side and it slides right out. Now, I would also recommend removing the joystick when you're traveling, since it's so easy to remove. And I would probably remove the cup holder too. So these are 3 simple things to remove. They don't take up much space. And then and the cushion, you're gonna have to bring that on with you as well. But once you do those things and you fold it up, you just give it to the airline, and then they'll check it for you. So usually what you do is you ride it down the jet bridge. And then once you get to where you're about to board the plane, that's when you would fold up the chair and take all of the stuff off, and then leave it for them to put it underneath the plane. And then once you get to your destination, they'll have it out there for you. And you probably see that a lot of times. People have strollers, works the same way. But we always advise to contact your airline just to make sure that that is the process that they require. But that's usually how it works.
Another thing I'd like to mention is we have a catalog that we can send to you for free. It's of our top sellers. You can call us, provide your information to any agent that answers the phone. We'll get that entered into our system, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we receive that. Or if you prefer to just fill it out online, just click on free catalog. It's at the top of our website. Fill out your information and we'll send it to you within 10 days. So back to the video.
Right now it's in freewheel mode. That's why I can push this easily. But you can see there are, there's 2 of these levers here. Right now it's in this unlock position, but I have to press both of these up to put it in drive position. Now I can't push it because now the electromagnetic brakes are now engaged, which means we can operate this. So we'll turn it on. You got your speed control. Gets up to 3.7 miles per hour, has a horn. There's two battery options. One of them is a 10-mile battery. That one is airline approved. There's also an upgraded battery, which is goes up to 16 miles. That one is not airline approved. It actually seems kind of loud to me, louder than other chairs. Well, I wouldn't say loud, but it's noticeable. But it's very responsive and it has a great turning radius. One thing about the wheels I'll say is these are flat free wheels. So they're sort of like this hard rubber. And then these are, they're called honeycomb wheels. So you can see these holes are drilled into here. So neither of the wheels are air filled, and this sort of gives a little shock absorption, which is good for hitting bumpier terrain. And then on the front of these front wheels, you do see these dual springs that are on each of the front caster wheels. Now, a couple things that I like about it, the seat. So for being a folding power wheelchair, the seat is actually 18 inches wide and it's 19 inches in depth. That's actually wider than a lot of folding power wheelchairs. The armrests also flip up for getting in and out. So you can just press these buttons and that helps with transferring in and out. Now, one of the things that I like, I'm gonna turn this off. A lot of people, customers that need these devices, they don't like to bend over. So I think what I like about it is you can just kind of flip it up with your foot like that. And then as far as folding it, now if I press this, then I'll push it down, you'll hear it lock, just like that, you heard that click. And then I can press it up like this, or pull it up like this, I should say. It's an awesome folding power wheelchair. It's made of carbon fiber. So it has this carbon fiber frame, has this really sleek, glossy finish, and made by one of the, probably the biggest brand in the industry, Pride Mobility. Oh, and also to unfold, let me show you that. So again, instead of bending all the way down, you will have to bend down a little bit to unfold it, but I could probably press my foot here and unfold it that way. I also like that the foot plate is out of your way if you choose to do that. So you can fold it up like that, or you can just kind of fold it up and tuck it away as well when you're getting in and out of the seat. So one of the great things about Pride Mobility is they have an excellent warranty and an excellent support. Let me put this cushion back on. Their warranty and their support is excellent. They're very responsive to get things resolved, and all of their products come with a 1-year labor contract. So if something goes wrong in the first year of owning the chair, they're going to try to do some troubleshooting with you. They may need to send some parts. If it's something that can't be resolved just by simple troubleshooting, they'll send a technician to your home for the first year, and that's included in the warranty. So that's one of the great reasons why we love working with Pride. You can also purchase a 2-year labor agreement. It's just an upgraded labor agreement. But if you have any questions about the Jazzy Ultra Lightweight, give us a call. We're open every day. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.